Hello everyone, I am Malaika Lobo and the owner of La Laika Patisserie, and this year I am at IFFI 2024. So I make different type of brownies, Oreo white chocolate, chocolate, strawberries and everything else. Make brownie cookies, I make custard eclairs, biscoff eclairs, which are the best sellers, and I also make cheesecakes, different variety of cheesecakes, biscoff cheesecake, strawberry cheesecake.
Any outlet about yours?
So for now, I'm just taking orders. I'm a home baker, and yeah.
Can you tell why this profession, not other profession?
I always like to bake since I was small. I used to always like bake and give my parents and like make them try. So even if I fail something, I go on, learning it. So I perfect it, and when it is the perfect one, so that's how that's where I started to bake at home and sell it. So people know my patisserie for my eclairs, like custard eclairs and biscoff eclairs. So the custard is made by scratch. I don't use any custard powder, nothing. So that is why you get the homemade taste also in it. And I make the brownies also. Everything made from scratch.
What about cost and all?
Yeah, since I use some really good quality of chocolate and ingredients, so it's a little bit expensive. But if you go to see, home bakeries are more expensive than what you get in the normal shops. It's always expensive. But you get the quality also along with it.